Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, or good evening for Miss Annie and everyone who's now watching my presentation. So today I'm gonna elaborate my mini proposal that has the title "A Pragmatic Analysis of Assertive Speech Act in Roald Dahl Matilda the Musical 2022 film." And my name is Gloria Angelina, and my student ID is 22140260001. Okay, without further ado, let's say the next slide. The first one is the introduction. So the background of this study is about our daily human conversation that always have hidden meanings in every sentence that we utter. And speech act is not just an individual act but also a part of larger communication system. The more interesting part is that now the speech act can also be used to interpret the meanings in the film, which also provide us the shape of reality. So this is why I chose film as my object, and the title of the film that I chose as an object is Matilda the Musical, as you can see in the left part. And this story, I will elaborate some of the synopsis of this film. So this film is about a girl that is very gifted but also abused by her parents. So then they sent her to a boarding school that has very strict rules. This is where her adventures begin as a gifted and free girl. And the next one is the research question. So I put the research question, that is, how do assertive speech act appear in Roald Dahl's Matilda the Musical 2022 film? Okay, the next one is the objectives. So the objectives of my film, of my research, is the first one is the purpose. So the purpose of this research is to find out how the every characters of this film use assertive act to convey their emotions, their meaning, their actions with words and speech. And then the significance of the research. So the theoretically, the significance of this research is to gain the deeper understanding about the conflicts that happened between each character. And practically, the research is expected to be able to be used in daily communication, helping people to be more aware that conversation and utterance is not always are not always empty words. And then for the scope and limitation, so the scope of the focus of this study is about the speech act theory by G.L. Austin and John Searle, that are uh, locutionary act, illocutionary act, and perlocutionary act. And for the limitation itself, it's illocutionary act, that is assertive speech act. Yeah. And then the next one is the definition of key terms. So as you can see, the first one is film, that is the moving pictures that have been soundtracked and conveyed into story. And then pragmatic, it's a branch meaning of theory that focus specifically on implicit meaning. Inference and set, and the ways language structure operates against its backdrop of the assumed and interpret it's by Levinson. And then the speech equilocutionary is a statement that has a specific force, such as warning and undertaking and instruction and informing, by G.L. Austin. And then the last one is the assertive speech act, that is referring to what the speaker believes. They commit the speaker to something being in the case. The different kinds are suggesting, putting forward, swearing, boasting, and concluding. That is very related to the theme of the film. And then next we are, now this one is related works that has the similarity between with my research. And the first one, and all three of these researchers is resources are that are they are all talking about the speech act and using the same theory, that is from G.L. Austin and John Searle. And this is also the similarity between their works and my research. But the differences between the differences are that they are mostly finding all kinds and types of the look of the speech act, while my research is only to find the assertive speech act and how the characters convey their emotions and their action through the assertive act. And then we are moving to the research design. So this research design will be using qualitative research method, and it focuses through the lens of pragmatic study. And then the theory that we'll use is also according to John Searle and G.L. Austin. And then the data and source of data is from the Roald Dahl's Matilda the Musical 2022 film, and the data itself is from their conversations between each characters in the film. And then for the research instruments is will be approaching the details and of the setting that has the characters involved and their roles and relationship between each other and any nonverbal cues or action that accompany the speech act. And then for the data collection techniques, the first one is to watch the movie truly, and then I will take the screenshot of the important scenes along to take some notes, and then the data then will be sorted and highlighted. Okay, so the last one is the data reduction, the data analysis. The first one is the data reduction. So in this process, I will be processing, choosing, concentrating, and I will be sorted all of the screenshots that I have taken and the notes, and then I will continue to the data display where I will be putting all the data that I have sorted, and I will start to do some conclusion drawing and the verification of the patterns, explanation, potential configuration, and causal flows and hypothesis. Okay, so for the conclusion of my presentation is that this research will help us to find the deeper understanding between each character, especially with the theme of the film is about education that will be very related to us, and hope this will help us to find the deeper meaning between each everyday life conversation. And thank you for watching my presentation about my mini proposal, a pragmatic analysis of assertive speech act in Roald Dahl Matilda, the musical 2022 film. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you.